I have a follow-up questions, Inshira, before you start. So of course, you said the motivation. So when you start the boot camp, um, what type of challenge you face and how did you overcome? And what will you be your advice to the students that are going through the same journey?
Okay, so first of all, when I joined, it was not easy for me to get through everything. Everything was new, like a whole new career or a new journey for me. So what I did to overcome it, to watch the contents again and again, and do your. I did my hands-on show and tell, and I did group meetings. And for the most important thing, to follow your mentor guidance. That is the most important thing, and also to be determined and focused on your course. And I would like to advise the students that do not go here and there, do not search for thousands of technology. Just be stick with your portal contents, portal curriculum, and work on it. You will be there. You at the end of the session, you will feel like, oh, I know everything. I could get more, but the source should be the portal. The source should be your curriculum, because there are lots of thousands of technologies over there. If you go to YouTube and keep searching technologies, you can say, oh, I can learn everything. This is really impossible for a person to digest thousands of texts. This is really impossible. So I would like to suggest you to stick on your curriculum and go through the mentorship guidance and take their advantages, because they will give you whenever you need something. Whenever you step back, they will give you suggestion how to come over it. So take the advantages and do your best. Focus on your course. That would be my suggestion.
Yes. So I do. I think it is a good the refreshing for existing students who is trying to go through the contents, even though yeah we are human, we feel to get the other contents, but I can assure you from my end, like the whole team and my team, we work diligently like hours to the refine the content again, bring the new ideas, how to do the content like the innovative for you. So going back to her, if you try to go like outside of the content, you are making yourself out of focus, means you are kind of breaking the whole process. So if you break the process continuously, it is going to be impactful for you, not for us, and we'll eventually find out. So if you just follow, again the question is the not the question, the if you follow what we put together, and if you absorb them, if you become the best of them. Now I'm referencing her. She said there is 1,000 of tools, you cannot learn all of this, and learning the tools is not going to help you the job. I rather after you actually get a job, right, you build your foundation, strong foundation, technical, professional, corporate, all you do from boot camp. Then once you get a job, now for your job, you will be learning the tools from Udemy. Yes, from YouTube, unlimited, no problem. But in the bootcamp, you cannot do anything else. It will misguide you. It will kind of you push you away from the bootcamp itself. Because here we brought up everything in a way that these are needed. Because and consistently they are changing. Okay, and you should not do things like the black and white. It should work immediately. Remember why I said it? She just said it. Anything comes to her pipeline, she make a decision. She makes a decision. How she does it? How you can make a decision how many like the EC2 you need, what type of like the security you need, how? Well, this is because you learn the application, you get the application knowledge, you ask the question, the who, what type of application is this, what type of mistake is this, and then who will be the traffic for this application, mean the users. So you see this kind of things we teach in the bootcamp. When you go to the learning the tools, these are not going to be part of this the teaching materials, because they will just teach you how to use the HTML, how to use the CSS, how to use the Kubernetes. That's not their scope of the training. The boot camp is different. Why you do this and where you're going to use it. So again, the boot camp is completely different than you're learning the tools. So highly advise, do not just focus on learning a lot of tools. those will push you away, and then you will not be able to even speak about the tools in the interview because it will be challenging to answer the question when someone will be asking you a question because they know why they asked the question. Inshira, go ahead. Next question.